Good morning, folks. Let me actually crack these blinds before I get started. Well, as you can read by the title, this is nothing new. This is the song I did second to last. But I managed to skip an entire part of the verse on accident, so I kind of got to do justice by my own work, since it is my own work. And also, I just like practicing. Fuck, I just love playing music. So come along if you want to. I will say my fingers are feeling the damage of being a rock star, so gonna need to heal sometime soon, which is quite unfortunate. That's always been the greatest problem in life, is you can't go ham every day straight on the same way, because I guess we do have mortal bodies after all. Anyway, this song is called Wildfire. Looking for the new best version of this song. Let's get to it. Throw me into a blanket of careless resititute. My home, my lovely baby dancer, spinning all around my head in a ballroom, candlelight. She's in a tiara. Her eyes are shining blue, catch a glimpse and she goes round and round, toe to toe, tiptoeing on the floor. This space we made, I adore. So if you start dancing, I will let inhibition die. I would have you see me fly. Let us make home a heart, never apart. Our boundless caress, there's the spark. Flames, flames, wildfire burning flames. Da 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 da. I've got a place for you. Let our minds be free. Let us sing. Let it be. Holding on to a miracle. And these flames still burn to this day. Oh, but I love to sing with you and carry me Oh, surprise guitar solo encore! Thank you for stopping in. Best version of the song so far. Peace out.